All right, guys.
All that, ladies and gentlemen, and everyone else,
There it is.
that is called Bidenomics.
Yep. Yes, sir.
That is called Bidenomics, and we are very proud of Bidenomics. Bidenomics
Yep,
is
right.
working. Yeah, go ahead and clap.
Clap, guys, clap. Okay, little meme to start. Obviously, we've had a crazy 24 hours. A lot of developments have been happening. We had some really good HBAR news as well. So let's just give you, daily update, daily crypto news, some general hopium as always. Market has seen a bit of a bounce. Okay, we're holding up for right now. Bitcoin tapped under 50K, but we're back at like 55, kind of chilling. XRP back near 50 cents. HBAR like 5.3 cents. Obviously not great. Like everything got pretty wrecked. But so far so good. Holding and getting a nice recovery. What we really got to watch out for is what comes next, right? So let's start with the good HBAR news first. Here it is. Hedera, we're excited to announce that Hedera has officially joined the IIF, Institute of International Finance, joining the likes of Circle, Coinbase, BlackRock, and other leading institutions to collaboratively foster global financial stability and sustainable economic growth. So, another massive partnership announcement that a lot of people, again, it seems like most people don't care. And then we have someone commenting on it here. Hedera is the only Layer 1 blockchain member amongst the IIF's 400 institutions, comprised of commercial and investment banks, asset managers, insurance companies, exchanges, sovereign wealth funds, hedge funds, central banks, and development banks. So, pretty bullish news for HBAR. As I've made very clear, that is one of my two holdings at this point. I've consolidated all into XRP and HBAR, and I think that will prove to be the right decision down the line because HBAR is one of the big two in my opinion. So we'll see where it goes from here. But moving on, from Sensei, stupid people sold, smart people hold, genius people's bought. So I scooped up a little bit of XRP here on this dip, caught it around 50 cents. So kind of where we're at right now. Didn't catch it lower, but that's okay. If we do swing down, and we're going to talk about that because this might not be over yet, this definitely could go lower, I'll be looking for more entries for sure. Satoshi Flipper says classic V-shaped recovery in progress in it. Hopefully that's the case, but we'll have to wait and see. This was another big piece of information we had. Donald Trump was on Aiden Ross's live stream, and here's what he said.
Getting along with these people is really getting along with the foreign leaders. If you're smart, our country is safe. If you're stupid, and that's a problem. We have stupid people there now, and those people are very dangerous. Right now, I'm hearing there's going to be an attack tonight by Iran of Israel. They're going to be attacked tonight. I'm telling you right now. I hear it just through the same waves. There's no top secret information or anything.
Right. So there you go. And then we had this news shortly after that 2 rockets hit U.S.'s and al-Assad in Iraq, which houses American troops. The rockets were allegedly fired by proxies of Iran. Says we're on the brink of WW3 and Biden is nowhere to be found. Fantastic. So we got to be careful because if this ends up playing out, things could get a lot worse before they get better. So who knows? Who knows what's going to happen? I honestly am getting the feeling that we V-bottom out of here. This is a pretty max fear event. If we close the daily candle where we're at now above these lows, I think that's really bullish. And you'll see here with some more charts that we get into just how crazy this moment was. So David says in 2 weeks this crash will be a distant memory. Remember the true winners emerge from the red. Here, this is what, no, where is it? This is what I wanted to see. So if we look here, the volatility index, because this isn't just isolated to crypto, all markets have been crashing. Like the stock market, gold, silver, the DXY. We haven't seen the volatility index hit this level since COVID and 2008, the great financial crisis. So it's a really volatile event. Again, max fear, max pain, and normally when these things happen, right? Let's look at C19. What happened here? We had that crazy capitulation, and then it was just up from there. So, stock market also recovering a bit, right? We had some crazy volatility, but we've bounced now a little bit. Same with the Nasdaq. Nasdaq was down like 7% at one point on the day, and now we're coming back. So obviously we've still dropped a lot. We have a long ways to go, but I think this is a great indicator of, normally when these crises happen in these events, they can flush really fast, but then they can mark a bottom. So again, it could go lower. Got to wait and see, but some positive signs, right? This guy commenting on how BlackRock, Fidelity, Grayscale, and MicroStrategy have not sold their Bitcoin despite the market crash. This guy says no, they've been buying Bitcoin, not selling, because they're about to send Bitcoin into a dimension of double asset pricing quick. 108K Bitcoin is next. XRP is about to melt faces in kickstart alt season. Why you cry, not financial advice. Always do your own research. So, yeah, a lot of these people, the whales, have been still accumulating. They haven't been selling. Another bullish pattern here we see compared to the 2019 cycle on a smaller time frame, right? When we had that C19 crash here to the bottom, we just had this crazy crash down here to the bottom. After that we went up and we broke out, and that was the end of it. It was go time. So continuing from Sensei, everything is bullish. Everyone is buying. Markets just want you to sell, want you to be scared. Don't be trapped. Yep. That's the feeling I'm getting too, is I think, they're really trying to get everyone afraid right now is ultimately what it boils down to, in my opinion. Longer post here from Nagato. I'll read a little bit of it. He says, in my opinion, the Fed will soon step in and print our way to a wild Q4. New highs for U.S. equities, blow off top for Bitcoin and alt season. Then everything will brutally collapse. You can't have a recession when even my dog is screaming for it. So everyone right now thinks that this is the end, thinks that we're collapsing, thinks that we're headed into a recession. And if everybody thinks that's what's happening, it probably isn't, right? So same pattern we just looked at, but just showing it again. Bullish broadening wedge, how we hit the bottom of that, and we'd be ready for a bounce off to go higher. Here from Agreg Crypto, financial advice from Elon Musk, take it or leave it. Elon says, since I've been asked a lot, buy stocks in several companies that make products or services that you believe in. Only sell if you think their products or services are trending worse. Don't panic when the market does. This will serve you well in the long term. And that's what we're doing, right, with XRP and HBAR. We're buying these coins that have services that we believe in. And we're not panicking when the market's panicking, because we still believe in the product and the service that is being provided. Here from 941, hard times create rich men. Buy, you mother effer. Yep. So, gotta buy when everyone's scared, right? Hardest thing to do, but typically how you will make money going against the herd. 941 also, we made it, bros. You've survived, and your bloodline will remember you. This is how a legacy is born. Congratulations. 87,000 Bitcoin next. Crypto Michael, I'm so bullish I feel physically sick. And finally from Ajax, the economy is crashing 10%. Who cares? You know it should be 10%, your body fat percentage. Go to the gym and do some cardio. So we'll leave you guys with that. Hope you enjoyed the update. If you did, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.